children, in our previous class you have learnt few sight words, right? Sight words are the words that are used most often in reading and writing. You have to recognize these words instantly at first sight. So, are you ready to learn the new set of sight words? Children, take a look at the board. Children, these are the sight words that we are going to read today. Children, repeat after Miss. The first sight word is that. Repeat. That. Next word, am. Am. Next one, to. To. Next word, has. Repeat. Has. Next word, like. Repeat. Like. Next word, we. Repeat. We. Next word, can. Repeat again. Can. Next word, I. I. Next one, he. He. Repeat. He. The last word, near. Repeat. Near. Children, these are the sight words. Now, Miss is going to repeat once more. Repeat along with me. That. Am. To. Has. Like. We. Can. I. He. The last word, near. Repeat. Near. Now, here I have made few sentences using the sight words and the CVC words that you have learnt in previous class. Children, let us read these simple sentences. Remember, when you read, you have to keep your pointer finger on each word while you read. First, you have to read the word slowly, then connect the words to make a sentence. Listen here. That is my box. Repeat. That is my box. Now you have to connect the sentence. That is my box. Repeat again. That is my box. Next word. I am tall. Once more. I am tall. Now you have to connect the word. I am tall. Repeat once again. I am tall. Read once more. I am tall. Next word. He has a red cup. Once more. He has a red cup. Repeat again. He has a red cup. Now you have to connect the word. He has a red cup. Once again. He has a red cup. Next one. My dad is a cop. Once again. My dad is a cop. I'll read once again. My dad is a cop. Now you have to connect the word. My dad is a cop. Repeat once again. My dad is a cop. Next sentence. I like to run. Once more. I like to run. Now we will connect the word. I like to run. Next word. The pot is near the bed. Once again. The pot is near the bed. Now we will connect the word. The pot is near the bed. Next one. He can jog. Repeat again. He can jog. Now we will connect together. He can jog. How to read the sentence? He can jog. Next sentence. The boy has a toy. The boy has a toy. Now we will connect. The boy has a toy. How to connect the word? The boy has a toy. The last sentence. We are boys. Repeat again. We are boys. Now we will connect the word. We are boys. Repeat again. We are boys. Hope you learned to read the sight words and how to read the sentences. Children, practice reading the sight words and the sentences daily. This will improve your reading fluency. Parents, give practice to read and learn the sight words and sentences. The first question, read aloud the sight words. Children, you have to read all the sight words. Second question, read the following sentences and underline the sight words. Parents, ask your child to recognize these sight words from the storybooks and try to make more simple sentences and train your child to read fluently. That is all for today. Bye.